Parking distance warning uses front, side, and rear sensors to monitor the vehicle's surroundings and alert the driver of any impending risk of collision. Press the parking safety button or put the vehicle into R to activate PDW. If any sensor detects an obstacle, an indicator light will come on according to the distance to the obstacle and a warning will sound. The warning sound for the front and rear varies according to the distance to the obstacle detected. The warning sound for obstacles to the sides is triggered only when obstacles are detected close to the vehicle. Press the parking safety button to deactivate PDW. If Auto PDW is set, PDW will be activated automatically when driving at low speeds. PDW can be set in the infotainment system. Reverse Parking Collision Avoidance Assist detects collision risks and assists with braking to avoid collisions whilst parking in reverse. With the tailgate and doors closed, put your vehicle into R to automatically activate PCA. Press and hold the parking safety button to manually toggle PCA on and off. If a risk of collision is detected, a warning will sound. If a collision is imminent, a warning will sound and emergency braking will be activated. If the vehicle is stopped by emergency braking, a warning message is displayed on the cluster. After emergency braking, immediately press the brake pedal and check the surrounding area. PCA will deactivate when you change gear, or 5 minutes after operation. PCA can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.